Hey guys, Rich here from RDVFL, and today we're going to be talking about our new Lexus screen upgrades. So we're today here talking about our new screen upgrades for Lexus vehicles. We cover a wide range of different Lexus vehicles. We have a 10-inch and a 12-inch option depending on the vehicle. The screens all come with a plug-and-play harness, a vehicle-specific bracket, and a vehicle-specific trim. So it looks OEM, completely factory, doesn't look out of place or obtrusive in any way, and it integrates flawlessly into the factory system. So you can retain all of your factory features, whether it's 360 camera, backup camera, satellite radio, all of those factory features are retained. Your factory controls are retained. So you control your factory radio through the new screen with your factory controls. And then all of the new features that the screen provides are controlled from the touchscreen. So wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, if you're using YouTube or Netflix or additional cameras or any of the features that are built into the screen that now come with the screen additionally on top of your factory features are all touchscreen controlled. So you get all the benefits and the features of the upgraded screen without losing any of the factory features at all. No change to the way the OEM system function works. And you get all of these additional features and upgrades, benefit of a bigger screen, higher resolution, phenomenal 3-year warranty, leading the industry. And you can find out all the information on our website, rdvfl.com. Put the year, make, and model of the vehicle in, click on the product that you want, and you can always give us a call and pick the brains of one of our representatives.